Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Children. I'm in Boston today. It's day one of the AAPS Farmside 360 event, which is running from today until the 19th. And I'm joined by Whitkanack from SOTAX Group, who's going to give me a quick overview of SOTAX Group, but also show me a whirlwind tour of what they've got, and more specifically talk about their farmer services. So first of all, Kevin, it's lovely to meet you. How are you?
I'm very good. Nice to meet you as well.
Well, it's lovely to see you. Now, I can see you've got a little station with lots of products, and I know you're working about Farm Services Group, but before we do any of that, can you give viewers a quick overview of SOTAX Group?
Sure, certainly. SOTAX is, at our inception, an instrument company. So I'd like to show you quickly over the instruments and then talk lastly about our fastest growing product line.
Great, well let's have a quick tour.
Sure. So we'll start here at automated sample preparation. All the instruments that we manufacture are typically focused on pharmaceutical products. So the tablet or capsule is often the center of the action for our instruments. In this instrument, we're going to be doing an automated sample preparation, so up to 300 samples in a row without human intervention. So a really great tool for quality control and R&D where they have high throughput samples to prepare. The next section here is physical testing. So physical testing you'd find on the other end of the spectrum. That's where we're going to do the manufacturing of the dosage form. So here, a product like this is the all-new AT50. We're going to be doing physical characteristics of tablets and capsules as they're manufactured. So weight, thickness, hardness. We're going to do that real time, and it can be even connected to the tablet press at the manufacturing line. Behind that are semi and manual units doing the same functions, and also an automated disintegration tester, the DD50. So from the manufacturing area, often our tablets will go to quality control. And in that step, they'll undergo the dissolution process. So really trying to figure out the rate at which the drug is going into solution. And we can automate that test with the new ATF, with the robotic station. So at the show, we're showing the new robotic station. Here we can load up to 32 batches in a row. The robot will take those baskets and move them into position for testing. We'll clean them after we're done, and we'll start another batch. So we can do up to 32 batches in a row without the need for analyst intervention. Okay. Staying with the dissolution theme, we'll go to the apparatus 4. So the apparatus 4 is another dissolution technique. We can do a variety of novel dosage forms here with these techniques, and you can see that represented by the different cells that are in position for testing. So here you'll often see things that aren't tablets or capsules. So this would be liposomes, microspheres, implants, powders. A lot of non-traditional dissolution tests will be done with the apparatus 4. So this is flow through dissolution, and this is the first instrument we ever made. We have a lot of expertise in this area, and that's really what's driven us to develop our newest product line, which is Pharma Services. So Pharma Services really for us is just the response to the question of, will this piece of hardware work on my dosage form? We've gotten that question since our inception as an instrument company. And we developed this line to test those products on our hardware. Oftentimes it is with something like USP Apparatus 4, but we've been expanding those services to R&D groups that are looking to see what's the best technique to measure drug release. It might be to a group that's looking to gain throughput with automation. And we can also do a variety of support services. So that would be consultation, what is the best way to, say, attack the release profile from something like a formulation that's a depot or an injection that may be a little bit tricky to figure out or research a proper elution method.
Great. I see that you've got a number of different services that you're offering as part of the Pharma Services. So can you just quickly run through those 3 services you've got?
Sure, yeah. Like I said, traditionally it would be related to drug release or dissolution. And that's really the core of our instrumentation line as well. And that's really evolved into more than just that. So we can do, tasks like deformulation, where you can compare a generic formulation to an innovative formulation. We can help you with bioequivalence studies, where you're trying to develop a test on the bench that's similar to what you would see to a human patient. And then everything downstream of that, so stability studies, everything you would do in your traditional release laboratories, we can do at the SOTAX Pharma Services Laboratories now. That is located in 3 geographic regions. Our original laboratory in France, the new laboratory here in Massachusetts, in Westboro, and also in India for that market as well.
Brilliant. Now, obviously, people are here this week. They can come and find you. So, can you remember your stand number?
We're 310. Yep.
It was like that. That's fantastic. So there you go, Mr. You're here this week at AAPS, Farmside 360. Come and visit stand 310.
You got it.
God, my memory's like a fish. I almost forgot that. But if they aren't here though, Kevin, where else can you get more information? Where else can they reach you guys?
Sure, yeah. I mean, the best place to find us globally is sotax.com. We are at a variety of exhibitions all over the world. If you're here in Boston, we're just outside the city in the suburbs. By all means, come out and visit.
Brilliant. Well, Kevin, thank you very much for giving the whirlwind tour. This is doing Pharma Services. And I wish you lots of success over the next few days here in Boston. And there you go, viewers. If you're here, come with Kevin and the team, check out the instruments, and obviously learn more about Pharma Services here at Stand 310. If you can't do that, then obviously you can meet them at many shows. I think they are at CPHI in Frankfurt as well.
That's right.
In a few weeks' time, as well as many other shows, both in North America, Europe, and other parts of the world as well. And obviously check out the website. So thanks once again, Kevin, and thank you for watching, viewers. Until next time, as always, stay well, stay safe. Bye-bye.